same chemical composition, life will start on that planet, you know, using the Earth as an example. The next probability in this statement would be what would be the fraction. Oh, okay, I think I just said that twice. What would be the fraction of an actual intelligent life that would okay, I should read it right the way it is. Fraction of life that eventually evolved into intelligent life forms. Well, as we analyze every life species there are on this planet, we notice that everything evolves, adapts, Darwinian processes. What do you mean by Darwinian? Darwinian processes. Yeah. That every life, no matter what life form you look at, it adapts to its environment. It always evolves into something higher, something better, so it can adapt or be more superior to its environment. So this probability would be a valid statement using the Earth as an example again. That any life form you have, it would always strive to become an intelligent life form. But yet the probability is very slow because there are billions of species on this planet, and there is only one that would be considered an advanced intelligent life form, and I think that's us. I think that's us. The last one would be the lifetime and years of a technically advanced civilization. Now this is totally kind of an educational guess, because, I mean, if we use the Earth as a technically advanced civilization, we're only talking maybe 60 to 100 years. You know, we've been around, we'd be able to use this technology, electronics, computer, space technology, the ability, you know, to be considered actually an advanced civilization that we have the ability to talk to. See, this is the thing I want to differentiate with here too, is that the major purpose of this equation is the actual number of people out there we can talk to, you know? And what I want to change this equation. I want to change it to actually what is the probability of there being advanced civilizations out there. That's what I think that would be better. So I'm going to scratch this. I think I'm going to just say, well, I'll throw that in anyway. Anyway, I'll say a value that's typically accepted by the proponents of the Drake's equation is for the values within here, yields a value of the number of civilizations in our universe as 200,000 advanced civilizations. Now that's just in our galaxy. If we use the same figure for each galaxy, that's 200,000 multiplied by 100 billion. Now maybe the first thing that probably strikes up in your mind is that, well, how come there's not 200,000 just in our own galaxy buzzing around here? Well, Einstein, just to answer that one somewhat, that many scientists feel that the problem is the space barrier problem. It's it's extremely vast area between each star, and Einstein says that on the theory of relativity that nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. And right now, presently, with today's technology, or even foreseeing with 20 to 40 years technology, we're not even going to even come close to the speed of light, and we're not even at a fraction of it now. And to travel to the nearest star only would take 4 years one way at the speed of light. And today's technology would take 40 years at present-day technology. So that could be the barrier, the physical, natural barrier there is in the universe of why we can't, why it would be unfeasible to go out and investigate other planetary civilizations. Just stick to your own planet. I don't know if I should throw that in. Maybe I should just say to that, this is what it's expected. I shouldn't even bother to say why. What do you think?
No, I think it's good to tell why.
Good to tell why?
The part where you said the theory part where you said, I don't agree with the theory part, that you said that we don't need to communicate, that we just need to discover just need to find out how many.
Yeah, you like that?
That part, I don't know if you should add that in.
What do you mean? Oh, you think I should just keep it? This is the
formula, this is it, and then don't.
That actually predicts.
I don't think you should criticize the formula. I think maybe.
No, I'm not going to criticize it.
No. I think that you should just say, no, because you say, oh, I would change the formula, or that type of thing.
I wouldn't say that to them, though. I'm saying to you.
Okay. No, but everything looks good. Yeah, I think you should explain to them because I don't. Being a person, I don't know that much about it. I want to know why, and I'm sure all the people in here don't know that much about it. Yeah. They want to know why, and I think it'd be helpful to do it.
I'm going to run through it one more time. Could you please stand up there by the podium? I just want to see if this thing is on there pretty good. Yeah, I think I can come down a little on this. Let's see.
So are you going to have any notes set up at all, or are you just going to talk?
Just that.
An outline? Maybe you should have an outline.
Honey,
What?
do me a favor.
Huh.
See if see if my head is past this. Look inside the top of that. See if, can you see? Is my head chopped off?
Well, the number, the bottom of the number is just on top of your head. I mean, it's on your head.
Is that how it's now?
Yeah.
It's still, okay, that's good though. I think so. No, I think you should raise it up. Well, actually, let's see. Stand by. Record review. All right, here I go. I'm gonna try it again. Oh, ya Allah. Here we go again. Let's try this again. Take two. It does take practice. Anything takes practice.
You should have an outline though.
I like speech though.
Did you go on the
I'm going to use this. Well, this is too general.
You should have an outline of each of the things you're going to be talking about. That way you stick right to your time limit.
Yeah, I know.
If you get yourself off a tangent, you're going to...
You're right.
I mean, point form, just knock down the things that you're going to talk about.
Okay. See, when I look at this, I want to read from it, but they're so general.
You could do that when you get home, just, point form it, what your speech is going to be.
Okay. Here we go. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to tell you the fact that there are probably about 200,000 advanced civilizations out there in our galaxy alone, the Milky Way galaxy. Now, I even go as far as to say that there are... No, hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to tell you that there are about 200,000 advanced civilizations in our galaxy alone. Our galaxy is an average galaxy containing 100 billion stars. A star being a sun just like our own. Don't differentiate the name. They mean both the same. We only call our star a sun because it's the giver of warmth and heat to our life existence. So we give it a special name, the sun. But it is a star, just like every white dot you see up in the sky at night, except for some of those planets or the moon that gets reflected by some sunlight. But nevertheless, those are 100 billion stars, each with the potential possibility of giving heat and warmth to a possible planet. And now, I said this is in the Milky Way galaxy. There are also 100 billion galaxies in the universe. That means that 100 billion multiplied by 100 billion, being the number of stars within each galaxy, is an extremely large amount of possible numbers of civilizations there are in the universe. Now, how did I come up with this quantifiable amount of 200,000? I get this number by the name of Frank Drake.